Hello kids, welcome you all in the EVS class. So take out your EVS book. Here I have one picture to show you all. Do you know which place is this? This is a farm. Yes. And do you know what is farm? A farm is a place where crops are grown and animals are raised. Yes. A farm is a place where crops are grown and animals are raised. Yes, like duck, goat, horse, cat, hen, rabbit, sheep, cow, and etc. So the animals which are useful for us, they are called the farm animals or domestic animals. So let's start our work. So kids, open page number 63 in your EVS book and write online work and today's date at the top of the page as I have written. See what is written over here. There are cats, dogs, rabbits and fish also at the farm. So we will discuss about these farm animals. So let's start with this. See which animal is this? Yes, you are correct. This is Sikh cat and it says meow, meow. So, let's discuss about cat. The cat is a useful domestic or farm animal. It has keen eyes and sharp claws and a bushy tail. It looks very beautiful. It is fond of fish, meat and milk. So, these are their favorite food. It likes warm places to sleep in. It can climb a tree quickly. People keep a cat as a pet. And do you know kids? Young one of cat is called a kitten. So now kids, let's discuss about another farm animal. And do you know which animal is this? This is dog. The dog is a farm animal. It is also known as pet animal too. It is very clever and a faithful animal. It has a strong sense of hearing and smelling the things. It also has many qualities like swimming in the water and it can jump from anywhere as you can see in this picture. Do you know kids? The young one of dog is called a puppy. Yes, usually the dog eats fish, meat, milk, rice, bread, etc. The dog says bow, bow. So this was all about a dog. Now see kids, who is sleeping here in between this cat and dog? Can you guess that who is sleeping in between the cat and dog? Which animal is this? Yes, you are correct. This is our rabbit. So let's talk about rabbit. A rabbit is a small animal with long ears. Rabbits have thick fur on their skin. The young one of rabbit is called a kit. The young one of rabbit is called a kit. And kids, it love to eat carrots. So carrot is the favorite food of rabbit. Now children, see, here we have one small pond and see who is here inside it? Yes, these are two fishes. So now we will talk about fish. A fish is an animal which lives and breathes in water. Fish have excellent sense of sight, touch and taste. Fish eat other fish, fish eggs, aquatic plants, insects, etc. Okay kids? Now see, which fish is this? Can you guess? Okay, I will tell you the name of this fish. This is dolphin, the national water animal of our country. Do you know kids? Dolphin is very intelligent water animal. Now let's talk about one other fish. Do you know the name of this fish? This is shark, and it is very dangerous water animal. As you can see, the sharp teeth of this shark. Okay, now let's talk about the largest water animal of the world. This is blue whale. And blue whales are the largest animals that are found in all the oceans in the world. Hope kids, now you all are aware about all these farm animals. Now children, see, what is this? Can you tell me that what is this? This is house of a dog, which is called a kennel. Kennel. Repeat after me. This is kennel. Dog lives in a kennel. Okay. This is kennel. Okay, now see kids, what is this? This is pond. And who live in the pond? A fish lives in a pond. Okay. So see, here we have one cat and one dog, and they are playing with a ball. I think they both are very good friends. That is why they are playing with a ball. Now let's discuss about this part. Match the pets with their homes. Pet animals are those can live with us in our houses. This is cat. This is parrot, and it is a bird. This is dog, and this is fish. So kids, what we have to do? We have to match them with their homes. Okay, so let's discuss about this one. First I will tell you the name of these things. This is a bird stand. What is this? This is a bird stand. Repeat after me. This is a bird stand. And see, here we have two bowls on the stand. And this is picture of a basket, and it has a cozy bed inside it, as you can see. This is aquarium full of water, as you can see. And here we have some colorful stones also inside it. And this is kennel. Kennel. Okay. Now let's match them with their homes. Okay. This cat is telling me that she would like to go to this cozy bed. So help her to reach this basket like this, as I'm doing. You have to match the cat to the basket. Now this is a parrot, and it loves to sit on the bird stand. So match the parrot to the bird stand. Okay. Now see, this is dog, and the house of dog is called kennel. So match the dog to the kennel like this. And this is fish, and this is a fish, and this is an aquarium, and the fish lives in an aquarium. And we keep aquarium in our guest room or drawing room. Okay, so match this fish to this aquarium. Kids, you also have to complete your work like this. Thank you.